Next, what is meant by Barr body? What is meant by Barr body? One of the X chromosome in the somatic cell of an individual remains inactive while the other remains active. So that is known as Barr body. So one of the X chromosome of the somatic cell of an individual remains inactive whereas the other remain active. So that is what is meant by Barr body, which is appearing as a plano-convex dark stained body which is seen just beneath the nuclear membrane. And what is the importance of determining this Barr body? So what is the importance of determining this Barr body? This helps to identify the genotype of an individual. It helps to identify the genotype of an individual. For example, if in a female they will be having 44 XX chromosome. So the number of Barr body is equal to number of X chromosome minus 1. So in a female normally there will be 2 X chromosomes. So 2 minus 1, there will be 1. So there is one Barr body that is seen in a female individual, whereas no Barr bodies will be seen in case of male. So this helps to identify the genotype. And where do you see all these Barr bodies? So he can see this Barr bodies in the buccal mucosal cell. In the buccal mucosal cells, then mucosal cells of the vagina, and 15% of neutrophils have a drumstick like projecting part from the nuclei, and that is referred to as Barr body. So these are the sites in which you can get the cells and you can look for the Barr body. So second important point, in addition to determining the genotype, it can also determine the abnormal genotype. It can also detect the abnormal genotype. For example, in conditions in which the person's having 47 chromosome, 44 XXY, the number of Barr bodies present. Y means they are actually male. If the presence of Y chromosome means that the person is a male. So normally in a male individual they will not have any Barr body, but in this case 47 XXY they will be having presence of one Barr body. So the presence of one Barr body in a male individual. So like that it is able to detect the abnormal genotype. So if the question is asked about Barr body, you have to write Barr body is one of the X chromosomes in the somatic cells will remain inactive while the other remains active, and there is a plano-convex body seen just beneath the nuclear membrane, and the important is like it helps to identify the genotype, and also it helps to identify the abnormal genotype, and the number of Barr body is equal to number of X chromosome minus 1.